Hi, Teacher Rachel here. Welcome to part 2 of the Confusing Words Show. Today we're going to talk about the words bored and boring. Bored and boring are adjectives. That means they are words that describe nouns. Bored and boring mean two different things, but people often confuse them and make mistakes when they use these words. So that's what we're going to fix in this video. Bored is a feeling people have when something is not interesting. When we feel bored, we don't feel good. We feel tired or even frustrated. I feel so bored at my grandparents' house. There is nothing to do there. I loved the movie, but my little sister didn't understand it and she felt bored. You see, in this case, bored talks about how my sister felt. My sister felt bored. Let's talk about the word boring. Boring is a person or thing that is not interesting. I loved the movie, but my sister thought it was boring. You see, here the word boring doesn't talk about my sister. It talks about the movie. The movie was boring, and the movie made my sister feel bored. Do you see the difference? My parents like to golf, but I think it is boring. I feel so bored when I'm on the golf course. And you know what? Even people can be boring. My math teacher is so funny, but my history teacher is boring. I feel so bored in his class I could just fall asleep. Now, complete the exercises below where we practice using the words bored and boring. Can you come up with some sentences of your own? Well, I hope this was helpful and that I wasn't too boring. See you next time.